Welcome. In front of me I have Fossil Gen 6 FTW4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line in the middle of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and once it is enabled you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. And also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. Then you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face, and the icon from the watch face will be gone, and the icon on the quick panel will be gray, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also press and hold on the Do Not Disturb mode icon to open the override Do Not Disturb mode, and here we can turn on calls from favorites and stuff like that. Basically, if you flick on, for example, calls from favorites, they will be able to override Do Not Disturb mode, so you will have the notifications, some notifications from them when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So you can turn it on for calls from favorites, reminders, events, and alarms. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.